So if you're considering getting back with X, there's a lot of things to talk about. First is like the most obvious thing. Consider why you broke up in the first place and if it was truly addressed. Also assess if both of you have grown and changed positively. There's no sense of kind of getting back with an ex, going back to the same exact situation because that's exactly why you left.
Yes, and also the biggest thing, see if you both still like each other. Because granted you broke up and things didn't work out, but what if you don't like the new person that your ex had become? So see if you both even like each other still through the change.
Right. And then to wrap it all up, trust your gut, trust your instincts, because more than likely it won't be wrong. And it would definitely help ensure that you guys come to a mutual decision. So both of you trust your instincts and come to a mutual decision and don't let it be one-sided.